Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes. Ça va? Are you? Ça va très bien? Ça va bien? Comme si comme ça? Ça va mal? Ou ça va très mal? Alrighty, well I am ça va très bien because I am so excited to be diving into today's video with you guys. And we're going to kickstart today's video with our mathématiques. So right now we are going to have 8 problems. And for the first 4, what we're going to do is I will say the problem, you guys just need to say the answer. And then for 5, 6, 7, 8, you guys have to say the problem and the answer. Alright, so for the first 4, I will say the problem, you just give the answer. So first up, 10 plus 7 font 17. Très bien. Next up, 18 moins 5 font 13. Bravo. Next up, 4 fois 5 font 20. Magnifique. And now we have 15 divisé par 5 font 3. Super. Okay, so for the next 4, you guys need to say the problem and the answer. So here we go. Yeah, it's 4 plus 8 font 12. Next up. Alright, 23 moins 5 font 18. Next up. Six fois 5 font 30. And last up. 27 divisé par 3 font 9. Magnifique. Let's move on now to
small talk.
Now I know that you guys have been working really hard on introducing yourselves in French. So we are going to have 3 conversations in French, which will change according to the time of day and how formal or informal the situation is. First up, let's have a conversation where I pretend to be a new person at school called Pierre. Okay, so I will read what's in the speech bubbles on this side, and you guys can read what's in the speech bubbles on that side. Allons-y. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Pierre. Et toi? Enchanté. J'ai 15 ans. À la prochaine. Alright, super job. Now this time I'm gonna pretend to be your new teacher and you guys are gonna go first. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Monsieur Innes. Merci. Quel âge as-tu? Bonne journée. Fantastic. And last up, let's have a conversation where we're chatting on the phone one evening, and I'll go first. Bonsoir. Ça va? Je vais très bien, merci. Bonne nuit. Yubu. And now it's time for our fun Francophone fact of the day. Did you know that in France, where I am right now, and in many other European countries, it is normal to faire la bise when meeting a new person or an old friend. Faire la bise involves kissing each other on either cheek. Now, where I am in Paris, it's normal to kiss each other twice, but in other parts of France, it can be 3 or even 4 times. You faire la bise with people of the opposite sex or even the same sex. For example,
Bonjour.
Bonjour, Monsieur Claude Dubois. Mwah. Mwah. Whoa, hang on. We're in Paris. You can stop there. It's just twice. Ooh la la. Well, that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed going through some numbers and introductions. Merci à vous. Thank you to you for being here. Can you say à bientôt? Et au revoir.